To create this part, I'll look at the model from the top view and start by drawing this sketch. So let's enter the sketch on the top plane. I draw a center line for symmetry, and then drawing the sketch. Dimensions are 60, 50, 20, and 100 millimeters. And for these sections, dimensions are 10, 20, and 40 millimeters. This dimension here should be aligned horizontally with this point. So I apply a coincident relation between this line and this point. Right here, I draw this. Sketch here so I can extrude the sketch twice using the Selected Contours option, once to a height of 50 millimeters and once to 60 millimeters. The dimensions are 10 and 30 millimeters, starting from this point. Next, I select the entire sketch and use the Mirror Entities command. While still inside the sketch environment, I go to the Features tab, select Extruded Boss command, and extrude the sketch 50 and 60 millimeters. In the Selected Contours box, I pick this profile and extrude it by 50 millimeters. I select the sketch again from the Feature Manager design tree, start the Extruded Boss command, and extrude both contours 60 millimeters. Now, for the sloped face here, I start a new sketch on this face. It's a triangle with a height of 40 millimeters, so I create the sketch here. I enter the sketch on this face. So we are drawing the sketch on this plane. I select the Line tool and start drawing from this point using a coincident relation. Apply a coincident relation here and here. Now, I just need to enter the 40 millimeter height to make the sketch fully defined. Without exiting the sketch, I go to the Features tab, select Extruded Cut command, and specify the cut depth up to this face. So I set the end condition to up to vertex, and in this selection box, I choose this specific vertex point, and then click OK. For the sloped face on the other side, you might be thinking of using the previous sketch with another extruded cut. Here, since I want the cut to start from this face, in the From section, I select the Surface option and pick this face. And in the Direction section, I set the end condition to up to next and click OK. However, for this design, we'll use the Mirror feature from the Features tab. In the Property Manager, in this selection box, we choose the face or plane we want to mirror across. In a 2D sketch, we mirror about a line or construction line. But in 3D features, we mirror about a face or a plane. So I select the right plane as my mirror reference. In the Features to Mirror box, remember, anything we create using commands from the Features tab is called a feature. So here I select the feature I want to mirror. I pick the Cut Extrude feature from the Flyout design tree and click OK. Quick tip: when a feature fails, before doing deep troubleshooting, try turning the geometry pattern option on or off in the Options section. Click OK again. If the feature works now, you're good to go. If not, then it's probably a more serious issue that needs further troubleshooting. What exactly is geometry pattern option? It simply duplicates the exact geometry of the feature without recalculating the end conditions or feature intelligence for each instance. What's causing the geometric conflict here? Remember, when we created the extruded cut command, we defined it here, to end at a specific vertex. When we mirror the extruded cut feature, that specific vertex doesn't exist on the other side. This causes a geometry error. And by enabling geometry pattern option, the mirror operation can be completed successfully.